There's a lot of cool new tech being released here at MWC 2018, and Lenovo has rolled in with some new laptops that it hopes will give it a boost in sales. Whether you need a 13, 14, or 15-inch model, there's probably a Yoga book that will fit your use case. There are two new models of the Yoga 730 in 13-inch and 15-inch variants. They both come with Intel 8th generation i7 processors, which are technically quad-core even though they're low-wattage chips. Both come with up to 16GB of RAM, and the 13 model comes with up to 512GB of storage, while the 15 model can be loaded with up to a terabyte. If you want something that can game, a couple of these laptops have some decent capability. While you're not going to get great frames out of the 13-inch due to its integrated Intel H620 GPU, the 15-inch model comes with an NVIDIA GTX 1050, which can actually play some titles at lower settings. One of the biggest features of these laptops is the fact that they have Alexa built in. This means you can control your home from pretty much anywhere you've got your laptop with you, and you won't have to put echoes in every room. Of course, you can use Cortana if you prefer that, but it's the home control features that you're going to want from Alexa, and you're probably not going to get those with Cortana. If you need a laptop that has a respectable set of I/O, these things have them. The 13-inch model comes with two Thunderbolt 3 ports and one USB-A 3.0 jack, while the 15-inch variant has two USB-A 3.0 jacks, one Thunderbolt 3 port, and a full HDMI port. Both of these devices come in iron gray and platinum silver, and they should be launching in April of this year. The 13-inch model will be starting at $879, while the 15-inch model comes in at $899. If you aren't into 13 or 15-inch laptops and you need something a little more affordable, Lenovo also has introduced the Flex 14. This model saves you some cash by ditching the full aluminum body and only implementing it into the keyboard section. Now, there's no Alexa baked in here, but other than that, many of the specs are the same. The Flex 14 has the same 8th generation i7 Intel processor, 16GB of RAM, and 512GB of storage as the 13-inch model. It also takes the graphics up a slight notch with the NVIDIA GeForce MX 130 chip, and while this thing won't play the latest games at great settings, it is a decent chip for thin and light notebooks. You've got even more I/O in this laptop too, with one USB-C 3.1 port, two USB-C 3.0 Type A ports, and an HDMI port, and there's even an SD card reader here. The Flex 14 will be available in April of this year and should start at $599. Are any of these laptops intriguing to you? Let us know your thoughts below and stay tuned to Dgit for more from MWC and beyond.